Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting the laptop down and connecting AC power so firmware stays stable. Make sure any bootable USB is already plugged in. That prevents missed device scans. You press and hold the ESC key, then press the power button once and release ESC when the menu appears. This forces the firmware to open the one-time boot menu instead of jumping to the OS. Once you see the menu, you can select Devices. If nothing appears, don't panic, continue to the next steps. If holding ESC doesn't work, use Windows Advanced Startup. Go to Settings, Recovery, and click Restart Now, or hold Shift while you click Restart to enter UEFI options. From Advanced Options, choose Use a Device or Troubleshoot Advanced Options UEFI firmware settings to reach the same boot chooser. Make sure you understand whether your system lists devices as UEFI, USB, or Legacy. USB because Secure Boot and UEFI mode change how media appear. You finalize by highlighting the device you need, look for UEFI, followed by the USB name or the internal drive, and press Enter to boot. Give the device time to initialize. Installers or recovery tools can take several seconds to a minute. If the menu never lists your media, reboot into BIOS settings, F2 on many Asus models, disable Fast Startup or Secure Boot, save and retry. That single change fixes most detection problems. If it still fails, try a different USB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.